In this session, I'd like to talk about styles. Styles is one of those things that is really how Word is built around, but it's very, very underutilized, and I don't think that many people really understand how to use them or what the benefits are of using them. And it really is the way the application is designed to take the most benefit out of the features if you use styles. So this is just a sample unformatted document, and I'm going to format it using some styles and just show you and highlight some of the benefits of using styles. So styles are all sitting here. Don't worry too much if you don't like them, because you can change them, but we will format them using the ones that we've got there. The styles are part of the template, so whatever template you use, the styles will relate to that template. So this might have started off as a blank document, but a blank document is also a template. It's just a blank document template. So it has these styles built into it. So for example, let's go and highlight some styles. Now these are mostly paragraph based, so we go on that and make that say a heading 1 over here, and make that a heading 2, heading 2, we'll make that a heading 3, heading 3. I'll make that back to be a heading 1. Doesn't really matter. I'm not doing these for any particular thing. It's just to highlight how to use styles. Oops, missed one. Just undo that. Here. Heading 1. Heading 2. Heading 2. Heading 3, heading 3. And that's it. So I've just applied some styles. And if I don't like the way it's laid out, for example, maybe I don't like the blue, or maybe I want it to be a better font, all I need to do is just play with what I've got here. So I'm just going to get this how I want it. So I'm just going to highlight it. I'm going to change the font just to make something a little bit thicker. So maybe an Arial black, something like that. It's a nice sticker for a heading 1, and might change the color to that purple that I used before, and that's probably enough. I don't need to do too much changes to it, and I've used the heading 1 style a couple of times throughout my document. So to change it, if I just go up here, just go right mouse button here, and if I just go update heading 1 to match selection, it will now update the heading 1, and every time I've used heading 1 to match what I've got there. Click update heading 1, and you'll see that the other heading 1s also are formatted in the exact same way, and you can do that to any of the styles. So that's one thing. Other things that you gain out of using styles also is under your view, you can do the navigation pane, and the navigation pane will allow you to move to the different parts of the document, and these headings here are based on the styles. So I can move around very easily to that. So that's one of the benefits. I'm going to take that off because I don't really use that very much. The other thing that we can do, and what's really, really cool, I'm just going to go Control Home to go to the top of the document. I'm just going to press Enter a couple of times. I might just format that back to normal. So just go back home and format that to normal. And one of the big benefits is a table of contents. So if I go to the reference tab, and go table of contents, choose the style that I want. So one of these automatic ones, I like that one. Click on that, and automatically I have a table of contents designed based on the heading levels. And you'll notice the heading 1s are at the top, heading 2s and heading 3s, and they get indented as you go along. The beauty about doing a table of contents like that is, firstly, it's really, really quick. The second thing is that if I do something, so for example, I'm just going to put this on a new page. So this is now going to move from page 2 to page 3. So I'm just going to go Control Enter to do a hard page break. And I'll pop another one, do another Control Enter. So now my document is a lot longer, so it's 4 pages instead of 2. And if I go back up to my table of contents, obviously nothing's happened yet, But if I click on that, and up the top here it says Update Table, I have the option of updating the entire table. So if I have actually added more headings, I would update the entire table. If I've just repaginated it by inserting text or something like that, I just want to update page numbers. Click OK, and you'll see that that is now reflects the new pages. So that's also a really great benefit of using styles. Just a couple of other things that you can do with styles. I'm just going to go into the Design tab here. And as I said, everything is really geared around using styles. So you have all of these different themes. You get the whiz biggie. So these are just different themes that you can apply. And if you have used styles, it will apply the styles that are built into these particular themes. You have themes going down here. And again, I'll hover over it and it will show me the themes based on any of those, and it will show me what my document would look like. So we can change totally the way it looks by selecting a theme, selecting one of the formatting options, selecting a color option, and you'll see that as I change different colors, it will be reflected in my document. And the same thing with the fonts, the different font set. So again, you'll see that the headings that styles that I haven't changed are highlighted and are changing based on the fonts. So I can go here, change a theme, totally change the way it looks, apply a formatting like so, or apply any of the color options to make totally different documents each time. So I think that's a really good benefit of using styles, and it shows how styles are really inbuilt into the way that Word actually works. And you get all this under the Design tab. Thank you.